welcome back to Tammy's Home Tips. Today I'm going to talk about a way that you can save money on something that you use every single day. So stay tuned. So I don't know if you've heard about this or not, but I have discovered that you can get internet for only $50 a month, unlimited, and it is no contract. And that includes the fees. So as you can see, I'm holding it up here. It's T-Mobile home internet. Now, this has been really great for me. And I want to mention also that I'm not being sponsored by T-Mobile. This is just something that I discovered, and I wanted to share it with people because I don't think a lot of people are aware that they have this as an option. And as you know, internet can be so expensive and the price just keeps going up. But this little buddy here is the whole thing right here. It just plugs in. It's really easy. I just take it and plug it in and put it in the wall. And that is the whole difficulty of any cord setup. Now you can also do a direct setup here with your computer, but I haven't found that necessary. So the other thing I wanted to mention is that you will need to download the app, the T-Mobile app, from of course your app store, and then that will walk you through the process of how to set up all your devices and reset your password. You will need the password that is on the back of your device, and there's also an administrative password that will be on the actual box that it comes in on the outside of the box. So you'll need both of those just for the whole process, and it'll walk you through that. Thankfully, this can fit anywhere in the house. It just blends. It doesn't look like anything. It almost looks like your, Alexa device or whatever. It's very sleek and good looking, and the display is not lit up all the time, so it doesn't even bring any attention to itself. Another thing is, it is based on the 5G network, so you will be placing it somewhere in the house that is the closest to the signal of the 5G network, where you have the strongest signal. So it may not be where you had put it before, where you had your traditional modem and connection. It could be in a completely different part of your house. And it's been no problem for us. The other thing I wanted to mention is that I didn't actually cancel my internet immediately because I wanted to see if it was really going to work. And since there's no contracts, I figured, well, I'll just order it and try it for a month before I cancel my actual traditional internet, and then we'll just see how it works. And what I found was occasionally I did have a little bit of buffering, but I can't say that I didn't have that problem before. I had issues with my internet, unstable internet connection on my traditional connection so many times. And I didn't find that really this was any difference at all. It was actually, I think, a little bit better. But what you can do is contact your local T-Mobile agent, and they can check to see what the strength is for your area, to see if you even qualify for this. But if you do qualify for it, then really it's a great savings. But you might be asking, but what about cable? Well, that was a dilemma for us too, but I find myself actually just using my cable now just for the basic channels. I have most of my subscription services on my smart TV, so it's not even like I really need cable anymore. In fact, I only really need it for local channels. But there is, of course, another way to get local channels that we all know about, and I'm going to do a video on that as well. I'm going to install an antenna in my attic. I know it's generally done outside, but I'm doing it in my attic because of my neighborhood doesn't allow that, and that's fine with me too. So I'm just gonna have another video on that, and also a video on how to put together the antenna as well. So stay tuned for those. And I just want to say, please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked the content and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. And in addition to that, I promised my dog Ella that I would give her an extra special treat if we got a certain amount of likes and a certain amount of subscribers from this video. So please, for Ella's sake, she'll be so thankful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.